I've been going a little crazy lately. There's been so many good deals. I've just been buying this stuff up. Plus, I absolutely love these DEWALT cases now. But I'm just going to show you, this is, I've been buying the Milwaukees because I like the Milwaukee drills. And here is two new kits that I saw. And let's just take a quick peek at them. I can get in your house quicker than I can get into these boxes. Great deals. I think I paid, oh geez, like $15 for each set. And these are jam-packed. I now have a lifetime supply of bits. What I really want is the box. I'm going to modify these boxes, and I have a 3D printer, so I'm going to make some, and I'll show that in some videos coming up. I've got a lifetime supply of this stuff now, and these are impact rated. I'm lucky I don't go through a lot of these. I don't think I've ever broken a DEWALT tip, ever. I've worn them out over time, but this kit is just fantastic. And these little holders, so it's great. I'm just going to modify the heck out of these, but I've got a big supply now. I'm modifying. It's going to be fun. Stand by for some videos coming up. So as you can see, I really like these DEWALT boxes. I'm buying them, I'm using them, I'm replacing a lot of my old DEWALT boxes with the new clear. I like the clear, I like the stackable. I like the clear, I like the stackable bit about these. I'm going to modify the heck out of these too, and stay tuned for more videos on what I'm doing with these DEWALT boxes, and also it's becoming part of my everyday kit. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps the channel. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.